weekend, guys, so we had a day off yesterday, just chilled out and did nothing basically. It's a nice change from the busy days, doing nothing on the slow boat. But today we're going to do something. We're going to go to Kuang Si Falls. So the plan is we're going to walk to the main area outside the post office, and then we hope to find a group of people that are going there. We kind of team up, share the cost of a ride. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll go breakfast as well. Yeah. So that happened easy enough. We were just standing around waiting for people to show up. There wasn't really anyone around. It's about 9 o'clock at the moment. But then the minivan pulled up and offered us a ride with everyone else, so that's something. But yeah, so not a tuk-tuk. We got offered a private tuk-tuk for 180,000 kip, which is, I think it is a decent price. But yeah, and a minivan now. So we made it here now after quite a windy ride, but quite a lot of noise. We were going to leave at 12:30, but the other people were sharing a minivan have to leave at the airport at a certain time, so we've got to be leaving here at 12 so I can get back on time. So it's going to be a bit of a speedy visit, isn't it, James? It's a bit annoying. But yeah, we were going to stay 2.5 hours, but now it's only 2. Check out how blue the water is, so cool. So we were at the post office area in Luang Prabang looking for like a tuk-tuk type thing, but then the guy was trying to get us to get a private one. We were like, nah, it's too expensive, we don't want that. We'll just wait for other people. And then yeah, a guy in a random minivan just pulled up. So he said, what should we pay? We paid 40,000 each, which a lot of places around with minivans advertise for 35. He said the others in the van paid 50, so not to tell them. I'm not sure whether or not he was making that up. We were paying extra instead of them, and that's why not to talk about it. But it's only like 75 cents a dollar, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, we're here now. I've had Pringles for breakfast of champions, and yeah, check it out. The two kind of sets of waterfalls around here. There's the lower set, which is ones we've just kind of done, and you've got the upper set of waterfalls as well, which are the more spectacular. So checked out the lower pools, checked out the upper waterfalls as well, and now we're going to do what not many do, probably for a reason, hiking all the way up to the top. So I'll see you at the top when I'm dead. 9:20. We've got 40 minutes. We're at the top now. Looks like I'm not going to be getting breakfast here. I'm going to have to wait back until we're in Luang Prabang to get some food. And I'm dying. I'm so sweaty and gross. We got 40 minutes to get down, walk back through. I want to take a couple more photos that I didn't get to take before. No chance we're going to be going for a swim because we simply don't have time. And this is why I wanted more than 2 hours here, which I thought we were going to get. We can just like not go in that van back and get ride in a different van. Huh? Yeah. So that's how steep it is, like that there. And we've made it. And I didn't fall. Super bonus. Whoop. And James didn't fall either. Hopefully we don't fall in this last few bits, because that would be my luck. Literally 40 minutes up, 10 minutes down. I'm so sweaty. I want to go for a swim, but we don't have time. Because I'm not even in my bathers, otherwise we might have time. James is in his though, so hopefully he will. Oh, it's 11:40 now. It took us 20 minutes to get down from the far end at the top. I definitely don't have time for a swim, unless it's a quick in and out. James, what are you doing in and out? He might do an in and out. And the bear sanctuary. Check out the bears. Go back to the shuttle, and that's it. Alright, do you want to come back out? Yeah, so the extra half an hour would have been ideal to go for like a swim, but we don't have a choice. And
we do, but we're not.
And we could stay here and try to get a ride with a different minivan, but then it's like our only choice. We'd only want to stay like an extra hour, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
Not like all day. But the thing is, like, you can hire a motorbike to get here, but motorbikes are real expensive around here. And then you've got the minivans or the tuk-tuks. So we went with the option that we thought was the best. And we have now made it to the bear sanctuary area here at Kuang Si Falls. So let's just see if they're doing anything. And then we'll head back to the minivan and continue our run to get back in time. Baby chickens! So good. We spotted our van outside of all these other vans. So I made it back to Luang Prabang now. Just at a restaurant. Grabbed some breakfast because all I've had today is about 10 Pringles and I'm hungry. A lot hungry. Especially after that drive, it's just windy. Extremely windy. So we've just spent the afternoon in bed doing nothing. I'm so tired after this morning and I've had a massive headache all day, but we're just going out for dinner now. I think I'm gonna go to the same restaurant we went to for lunch. And yeah, I'll take you along. Probably won't be that eventful, but yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, it'd be awesome if you could like and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, thanks for watching.